Yeah, this is just ridiculous. I mean, girls burping on stage. That's like the 180th, 300, 180th degree opposite of lady. Okay? I mean, we're teaching our young girls to be drunken, fat slobs like men. It ain't right when men do it. It certainly isn't right when girls do it. And that's just my opinion on this. I understand they're just trying to have fun. They're just little girls, and they're just out there having some fun. No, they're slobs, and evidently their parents are slobs. Because if it was my child, ain't no way she'd be burping on stage like that. So that's my opinion. Adios.